something with this. Yoo-hoo! Let's go home.
Rinse the baby octopus under running water. Cut the octopus into small, bite-sized pieces. Prepare the squid and cut it into thin strips or rings. Put the octopus and squid in a bowl, add a little water, salt, and sliced fresh chili peppers. Mix well and let it soak for a while to remove the fishy smell. Cut the zucchini into thin strips. Cut the carrots, cabbage, green onions, and mushrooms into strips. Chop the shallots finely. Take the baby instant noodles out of the package. Boil water, add noodles and blanch until cooked through, then drain the noodles. Heat oil in a pan, saute chopped shallots until fragrant. Add zucchini, carrots, and cabbage and stir fry quickly. Add the marinated octopus and squid to the pan, and stir fry with the vegetables. Add chili powder, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir well to coat the seafood with the sauce. Add a little sugar and chili sauce for a rich sweet, sour, and spicy flavor. Add the blanched noodles to the pan and mix well so the noodles are thoroughly coated with the sauce.
Ew! Salt! Anachi sauce. Lemon. Charcoal. Cooking oil. Flour. Milk. Sesame seeds. Yahoo! Chess. Ketchup. Seaweed. So delicious. This fish has a problem. Fresh fish. Okay, let's go home now. First, we remove the fish scales. Cut off the tail of the fish. Next, make many holes in the fish body. Okay, done. Now we will marinate the fish. First is turmeric powder. Add salt. A little sugar. Mix, and mix. Okay, done. Now we will prepare the ingredients for the dish. Chop the potatoes. Next is to chop the carrots. Finally, mince the garlic. ingredients, we will cook the dish. Pour oil into the pan. Add garlic to the pan. Continue to add potatoes and carrots. Stir and flip. Add turmeric powder. Whipping cream. Finally, add coconut. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, done. Now we will pour the cooked ingredients onto the fish. The sound of frying fat is very soothing. Rice is an indispensable part of a meal, so now we will cook rice. Pour rice into the pot. Add water. Continue to add water. Cook for 20 minutes. Stir, stir, and flip. Very tasty. Have another piece. Try a little rice.